Diva, so jumping right in, today we have the new Butta Lace straight 32 unit. I have her in the color number 1 or 2 because 1 was sold out. So here's her cap construction. It is pretty standard. She is average head friendly. But this cap construction is slightly different because it does have a nice quality hair as well as a nice hairline. And here I just tried to insert clips to show you guys how long it falls on me. I am 5'2" and I do have a shorter neck in case you want to use that for a reference. And here is the hairline. It's absolutely beautiful. I did go in and tint it with my foundation off camera, and I did cut the lace, and now I'm just making the unit work for me. And then of course you guys know I'll finish out with my closing thoughts.
You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she's feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Bakachuku Makagini, oh soft me pay Ugweni Gigi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen all the details and the specs and me kind of style up this wig and make it work for me, let's go ahead and get right into how I feel about it. I actually tried to buy more than one, but I was not able to because it was sold out. And as you guys can see today, I have her in the color number 2. You guys know I normally get like a number 1 or a 1B, but it was sold out, so I had to go with the number 2. But it's not bad because it's still like, it's a dark 2, so I'm happy about that. So anyways, let's get right into it. So today we have the new, this is that new, okay? Like she just dropped, okay? So this is the Butta Lace human hair and premium fiber blend, which means that this is a like high quality fiber mixed with human hair, which is amazing because they've been doing an amazing job on their premium fiber hair. So I was super excited to try this one out. And this is from the makers of the What Lace collection. The style is called Straight 32. As you guys can see, she's really long. I will insert clips at some point in the video because I haven't done it yet, but as we're talking right now, I haven't edited, but I will insert like how long it looks on me and everything. And plus I want to show you guys my outfit or whatever, so I will go ahead and have clips of that. And again, I have her in the color number 2. So this is, it says virtually undetectable HD lace, and honey, Sensational is not playing with us. They're not. Do you see this? All I did was tint it with my foundation and this happened. Okay, so I'm just like blown away. Like Sensational, okay, Sensational, you won 2021, okay? Like look at this lace, you guys. Like it's really undetectable. Like lace wear, this is my scalp, honey. I am just so like, you guys do not understand, like being like, I've been a part of the synthetic wig community for so long, and I just never even imagined in my wildest synthetic wig dreams that we would be here, okay? Like look at this. And not only do we have really beautiful HD undetectable lace, we have a nice hair texture, okay? This hair texture is amazing, okay? Now I know my light is shining on it and making it look very, very shiny, but in person it does look like it has like a nice healthy luster. It looks like I put like some type of keratin oil or something on there and then I flat ironed it, okay? So it does not look, you know, it don't look bad in person. It does not look shiny. You will not be clocked. Like nobody's gonna be like, oh, that's a synthetic wig. Especially now with this lace, honey. You lay this lace right, like nobody's gonna ever know that this is, you know, a premium fiber human hair blend. So what I like to do with these new units come out, I like to go ahead and go down the claims list to let you guys know if like the claims are true. I know I got all hype and everything. So I also want to let you guys know that they do have special colors for this unit. I will have a link in the description box below so you guys can click on that and see what links or what colors, excuse me, that they have available. So I'm going to go down this list here. This is a list of their features and I'm going to let you guys know if they're true or not in my opinion. So the first one, it says is human hair and premium fiber blend. I can definitely feel that. It's very, very soft, and I love how I got very minimal tangling, and that shows me the improvement and the different quality of the hair. This hair is very high quality, okay? Like, I feel like if you want that human hair look but you don't want to pay, like, this is it. The second feature says that it is full body movement, and yes honey, this has plenty of body. It is not stiff wear. Virtually undetectable HD lace. Yes, as you guys can see, it says it blends with most skin tones. Okay, let me say this, okay? I don't know who most skin tones is. I'm not most skin tones, but it does not blend with my skin. So if you chocolatey like me, like, please don't think you're about to put this wig on your head and just like, it's not gonna happen, okay? Like, no. That is not gonna happen. You're gonna be able to see a white cast and stuff, and it's just not gonna be cute, so just don't even try it. I can't really say like if it blends with most skin tones. I guess I'm not in the category of most skin tones, but I don't know. You be the judge. The next feature says it has ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tie parting area. So, oh, this is 5 inches. This 5 inches, this kind of look like 4. We gonna break out the measuring tape for this, because to me it looks like about 4 inches. So I'm gonna start from the beginning of the hairline. Okay, so this is 4 inches. Okay, and I'm starting right at the beginning of the lace. Let me show you guys. Okay, so that's where the lace stops, and then 5. I did want to say it is just a little over 4 inches, but it's definitely not 5. So it's not 5 inches, but it is a wide part, so like you can go in and customize your part if you want to, but it is 4 inches. I just measured it, but I don't have a problem with that. It's still, this wig is still bomb. The next feature says that it is pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, and that is true. You guys know I like to install my wigs like a closure wig, basically. This today is like a large closure, like a 7x7, but so it does have the baby hairs along, and then it has the baby hairs here. Now when you guys see me, I don't know if I'm keeping it in, but I did go in and pluck a little bit over here, but it's because I took like hair from here by accident, so it had nothing to do with it. These are the baby hairs that it comes with, and they look absolutely perfect. All I did was go in and trim them, and I am happy that they did go ahead and give us the option to trim them, because some people like their baby hairs very dramatic and long, and then some people like them, you know, just to customize them, and I like to be able to customize them. Now I do have my baby hair slash adult hairs very extra today, but I like extra baby hairs. Like, I come from that era, okay? I'm a 90s baby. I was born in 1990, so you know, I'm okay and I'm down with the adult slash baby hair. The last feature says that it is natural and full with maximum density, and that is definitely true. This unit has a very nice density on it. I feel like it is, yeah, like a natural full, as they said, so it has like a decent amount of hair on it. Like, it does not look like you were skimped out on your hair. So yeah, because I don't like that. I hate when a wig don't have enough hair on it, because it just looked like you couldn't really afford to get your hair done, and that is not cute. So overall, this wigs, most of their claims are true, and this is just my opinion. Make sure you go and watch the other fabulous divas that's gonna review this unit, because this is a really nice one, okay? But based on what I think on my channel and in my glam world, that is what I think. I think that this wig is fabulous, honey, and you need to put it in your, like, you need to have this in your wig arsenal. And I know you're like, girl, we already have a bunch of straight middle part or straight wigs. You don't have this one. This one is different from every other straight synthetic wig that you have, honey, because do you see this hairline? I mean, what hairline? Because this is my hair. But do you see this hairline? Yeah, you need to put this in your wig arsenal. I mean, you know, you might have to pause on this video before she sells out, because I'm definitely about to have to go and order a 1B if I could find one. Make sure you go, like, click the link in the description box below. get yours because this one is a banger. Okay, she's definitely gonna sell out, and then she's gonna be hard, and you know the scalper's gonna buy some and put it on Amazon for like $100. So definitely go ahead and check the description box below and get yours before all the madness happens. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope that you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below, girl. I want to know, are you gonna get this unit? Are you? Because she is bomb. And let me know what you think about her on me. Just talk to me. I would love to communicate with you lovely divas, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.